Guys, I gotta give this crew credit. They are pouring asphalt out here on Richland Avenue. We got steam coming up. I thought it was geysers shooting out of the earth. They are working hard. It's pouring down rain. Look at the water coming there. They are going at it, trying to make Richland Avenue look good. They are working hard. They're not scared, and they're doing it for one reason and one reason only, because they know you won't come down to Remax and see me about buying or listing your house. So that's it, guys. Brian Katonic, Remax Tattersall. That's what's shaking in rainy Aiken.